Hi, my friends. I hope everybody's doing well. I thought I'd bring you a little update on what I'm doing. So, I sound like a broken record. For those of you who don't know what a record is, you must be young. We used to use them back in the day before Spotify and all this. Anyway, yeah, broken record. I have been working very hard and diligently to get things organized and cleaned up and just made right down here. And that means, and down here I mean my scrapbook room in the basement. That means that I have boxes that I'm going through. Some boxes I know what's in, most boxes I know what's in, and some boxes were a little bit of a surprise. So, like old stuff that I didn't even know I had, which probably I didn't need. But one box, I knew what was in it. I just didn't feel strong enough to tackle it as I was working through the kids' albums. And that is because it is full of this kind of stuff. So let me just take you over here. I emptied the box and I put everything from there onto, I'm putting it into piles. So Juliana's pile and Anthony's pile. And I am going to now put this stuff into their school album. So what the box contained obviously was their schoolwork. And some of it I am going to throw out. Some of it I'm going to take pictures of and include in their album. So I'll probably do it like an insert, either the 6x12 peekaboo, within between the layout I've already done for that year, where their school pictures are, I believe, like the professional school pictures. Or I'm going to make pockets because I've done that. And if you want to see how my pockets turn out, take a look if you're interested at my layouts in Juliana's baby book, because those are the pockets that I'm talking about, where I put her cards, like greeting cards that people gave. So that's what I'm doing. This is kind of stressful. I don't think it is necessary. Oh God, look at that cuteness. I don't think it's necessary to keep every single thing. I really, really don't. But I'm going to be picky with what I'm keeping, what I'm throwing out, and what I am actually taking photos of to keep as a photo. So that's it. Anthony's book, if you follow along, Anthony's books, his school books are pretty much done. And so now it's me going back to a done book and adding this. If there's room, I don't know if you recall, but I make my pockets. So I make, when I do the school page, I can't even show you right now. This is all sitting on top of one of Juliana's books. Wait, let me try. When I do the school books, I put a little, I make a pocket. So this page, for example, there's a pocket either on the top or on the side. And that's where I put the report card and some schoolwork that I want to keep. If I cannot fit it into there, I will put a pocket here, or I will do one of these things like a little insert and put it in between. So I'm going to bring you along. This is stage one, phase one of me doing this. So I'm going to organize them first, and then I'm going to come back with a quick video to show you basically what I've whittled it down to. So his pile and her pile. And then a third video is going to be me showing you in their scrapbooks how I've incorporated all this stuff. If you're interested, please stay tuned. If not, thanks for watching and have a great day. And maybe you'll want to watch another video where I have an album share soon instead of something like this. Talk to you soon, guys. Have a great day, weekend, week, month, year. Ciao for now.